Imagine living in a place colder than your freezer. When you breathe outside, the air freezes in front of your face. Your phone battery can die in just a few minutes. Your car engine may freeze if you turn it off. In winter, the temperature can fall below -60 degrees Celsius. But people still live there. In fact, people have lived in this part of Siberia for hundreds of years and have learned how to survive the extreme cold. This place is called Oymyakon, the coldest village in the world. Life in Oymyakon changes dramatically between winter and summer. During winter, the cold is almost unbelievable. Temperatures often fall to -40, -50, or even -60 degrees Celsius. The sun barely rises above the horizon. Sometimes the village receives only 3 or 4 hours of weak daylight. For most of the day, the land is covered in darkness and freezing air. But summer tells a completely different story. The temperature can suddenly rise to 20 or even 30 degrees Celsius. The snow disappears, rivers begin to flow again, and the land becomes green. The sun also stays in the sky much longer. On some days, daylight can last almost 20 hours. In just a few months, Oymyakon transforms from one of the coldest places on Earth into a bright and surprisingly warm landscape. People in Oymyakon have developed many ways to survive the extreme cold. Their houses are built to protect them from the freezing weather. The walls are thick, and special materials called insulation help keep the heat inside the house. Insulation means materials that stop heat from escaping. During winter, most homes are heated with wood or coal stoves. These stoves burn almost all day and night to keep the rooms warm. Water is another challenge. The ground in Oymyakon is permanently frozen. This frozen ground is called permafrost. Because of permafrost, normal water pipes cannot be placed underground. The water inside the pipes would freeze and break them, so people must find other ways to get water. Some families collect water from deep wells or nearby rivers. In winter, the water often freezes into thick ice. People sometimes cut blocks of ice and bring them home to melt. Because indoor plumbing is difficult in such extreme cold, many homes still use outdoor toilets. Imagine stepping outside when the temperature is -50 degrees Celsius. You must walk through the snow just to reach the toilet. Food in Oymyakon is very different from food in most places. The ground stays frozen for most of the year, so farming is almost impossible. Very few vegetables can grow here. Instead, people depend on fishing, hunting, and raising animals. Fish from nearby rivers freeze naturally in the open air. In winter, the temperature is so low that the fish become solid within minutes. The frozen fish can be sliced into thin pieces and eaten. This traditional dish is called stroganina. Meat is also an important part of the local diet. People often eat meat from reindeer, horse, and beef. These foods are rich in energy, which helps the body stay warm in extreme cold. Daily life continues even when the temperature drops below -50 degrees Celsius. Children still walk to school in heavy winter clothing. Adults go to work just like in any other town. Some people work as teachers, drivers, or shop owners. Others raise animals or hunt in the surrounding forests. Transportation can be difficult in such cold weather. If a car engine freezes, the vehicle may not start again. Because of this, many residents leave their car engines running for long periods, sometimes even overnight. Emergencies can also be dangerous in such extreme cold. If heating stops working, the temperature inside a house can fall very quickly. Without heat, a home can become dangerously cold. That is why people in Oymyakon rely on each other. Neighbors help neighbors during storms or equipment failures. In such a harsh environment, cooperation is essential for survival. For outsiders, life in Oymyakon may seem impossible. But for the people who live there, this frozen land is simply home. For generations, they have learned how to survive in one of the coldest places on Earth.